This is the before and this is after applying Relight. A simple tool but a huge difference. Notice how the lighting and mood completely change. Now let's see how to create this in Filmora. We are in Filmora 15. First, import your video clip and drag it onto the timeline. Here, I'll trim it a little according to my needs. Simply double-click on the clip, scroll down here and enable the Relight feature. Here we get 3 sections: facial, ambient and presets. In the facial section, you'll find some presets that work better for human faces. In the ambient section, you'll find different presets that are mainly used to change the mood of the background. And in presets, you can save your own custom theme. First, we'll try applying something from the facial section. Just apply it and wait a few seconds while the process is running. As you can see, these settings belong to light 1, which is the orange color. And these settings belong to light 2, which is the blue color. In the light type option, we can set it to directional or point. The main difference between them is that in point mode, the light glows from the center, while in directional mode, the light comes from one side. For now, I will keep it to directional. Now we'll place these color circles on the screen according to our preference. In the object section, we get 3 options, both people and background. I'll select people, which means the effect will apply only to the character. Keep tweaking these circles until you get the desired effect. If I switch this to background, you can see it leaves the character and applies the effect only to the background. For now, I'll set it back to people. We can also select the light position using these toggles and adjust the light distance, but I don't think we need that right now. We'll keep light intensity and highlight at their default values. If you want, you can also tweak the light radius and intensity, but in most cases, Filmora automatically applies the best settings, which already gives a decent effect. If I disable Relight, you can see how the original video looked. And after applying Relight, it turns into something like this. Instead of recreating it every time, you can save it as a preset. Give it a name. Now this preset will appear in your preset library. In future projects, you can apply it instantly to maintain a consistent visual style. This is especially useful if you create regular content like vlogs, interviews, or tutorials. If I choose the second preset, you can see it completely changes the vibe. The third one has a different vibe, and the fourth one also creates a different look. You can turn them on and off to see how much difference they create. From here, we can also change any color, which completely changes the overall appearance. You can slightly tweak these values according to your preference. By now, you probably understand how each option works. Now let's check out another example. I have this different clip on the timeline. Simply enable Relight, and this time I'll select this preset from the ambient section. Just wait while the process runs. And boom! It completely changes the vibe with just one click. Just like before, we can adjust the placement of these circles according to our needs. Here we can configure the settings for each light individually, and we can also change their colors. Here I'll decrease the intensity a little because I want to keep it slightly mild. I'll also slightly decrease the intensity of light 2, which is the blue color. The rest of the settings can be tweaked slightly depending on your video clip, because the exact values will vary from clip to clip. Well, the process is very simple. You can disable it to see how the video looked before, and boom! This effect completely changes the vibe of the video. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.